Hi guys, my name's David and I'm here
It's gonna be a very shaky video.
It's gonna be alright. I'm here with Misko Hevery. He's the creator and founder of Angular. And as you know, at STIV we recently switched from Angular to React. And Misko is soon releasing a new version of Angular, AngularJS 2. So I would like to actually ask him what are the main benefits of that and how are you gonna compete or how are you gonna beat React?
So first, it's not AngularJS, it's just Angular 2. We're dropping the JS
Good.
because we're saying we're compatible with all languages, not just JS. We support everything from TypeScript to ES5, ES6, Clojure, even Dart. So whatever language you like, we can support that for you.
Cool.
That's the first difference. The other difference is that we can now, it's redone so that it's more toolable. And this is important because now we can do an offline compile. And I think it's going to be a game changer.
Okay.
Because with offline compiler, we can get your size of the application significantly lower. The prototype we have is already down to about 45 kilobytes. And we really hope to improve it even further. I think we have a lot of ways to go, but we can really get it even further. So you want to ask, well, how does it work this way? Well, the way this works is that we can shrink it down because we can cut down on, basically we can compile the framework out. We simply remove it, it's not part.
So we are at the birthday party of his brother, and a couple of kids are just. Hey buddy, what's up?
Hey buddy, can I ask you to step out?
It's fine. You can stay. You can stay. So. All right, all good. So we are back.
Okay, so the reason why it's exciting is because we can compile the framework out. So what happens, we look at your application, we look at the templates, we look up dependency injection, and we simply generate code that exactly says go instantiate the following components, place the references over here, generate the if statements to say if username has changed, then go in to this particular DAO node and write it to this particular text field. Okay. And we can do all of that offline, so that none of this stuff happens. It has to be shipped to the client. So you don't have to ship the compiler, you don't have to pay the price of startup time. Okay. And hopefully we can really shrink the size of the app down to really small. So you get all the benefits of Angular without all the overhead of being able to ship the compiler to the client as well.
So the benefits will be eventually faster loading times?
So we already have some pretty significantly fast loading times. Okay. We're looking at, we have an application that we handwritten. We call this the baseline. And we said, this is all of the tricks we can possibly think of that we know that in reality, it wouldn't work. Are you part of the interview, buddy?
Okay, awesome. Well, there's a lot of good stuff to look forward to.
So let me actually finish. I apologize for this. So the way we work is we have this baseline app, which we know that this is the theoretical maximum that what basically the browser can do. And then on the baseline app, we run Angular and we compare the two. So we say, well, what's the theoretical best speed we could possibly get and how fast are we? So we're already within like 60% of the theoretical best speed we can possibly get. And so we hope to get it even further now. Clearly, we're never going to get to exactly the same speed as what you have written, but already we were pretty fast, something that most other frameworks just can't do it. Especially when you have to do it dynamically at runtime, we have the advantage of like pre-generating the code offline.
That's amazing. And also you are getting into the native apps, right?
We're also getting to native apps. So we made the framework so that the framework is no longer DOM dependent. DOM is just one particular rendering layer we can do. But we can do other rendering layers. For example, we can use React Native or native script. And because we can render to other layers, the benefit of that is that we can actually run inside of a web worker or even on server and then render across the sockets to a client. Actually, we can even render to multiple clients. So you can have a situation where you're running your application in one location and you can see it across all the different devices that we support together at the same time.
Okay, that's amazing. So look, as we did the switch already once from Angular to React, so maybe there will be another switch pretty soon. So when is it going to be released?
So hopefully on the conference next week we're going to release it. Speaking about React is there's React the Flux architecture, and so Angular supports that particular model as well. So it's very easy to set up a store and set up mutation events and push the data down. Like the whole architecture of Angular 2 is done that you can do the old style that you like, but you can also do the reactive style if you like that particular style better. Okay. So whatever thing you like, we can support you.
Awesome. Then this was Misko Hevery, the father and creator of React. I'm sorry, of, of Angular, but soon to be the new React. So, all right. Thank you, Misko.
You're welcome. See you.